The pandemic is leaving people out of work and hungry. Many families can't afford groceries. And as Shelby reported earlier tonight, there's a bright spotlight on food insecurity as the holidays approach.
This is not people going to bed hungry. This is people really struggling to get their next meal.
David Beasley of the United Nations World Food Program paints a grim picture of worldwide food insecurity on CBS's Face the Nation.
The number's gone from 135 million from 1 year ago to 270 million people marching to the brink of starvation.
An October report from Feeding America says about 1 in 6 Americans are food insecure, a result of growing unemployment and disruptions in the food supply chain. CEO Claire Babineau-Fontenot says it's impacted certain communities more than others.
Communities of color are particularly vulnerable. They're 2 times more likely to suffer with food insecurity. Also, rural communities are far more likely to suffer with food insecurity as well.
Experts say the pandemic has reversed nearly a decade's worth of progress made on food insecurity, and Western Pennsylvania has felt the impact.
Food insecurity has doubled.
Leah Lizarondo, CEO of local organization 412 Food Rescue, says that number is evidenced by the amount of food her organization has distributed during the pandemic.
We have almost quadrupled our tonnage in this pandemic, and it's only scratching, part of the need that we have right now.
Feeding America data shows Allegheny County's overall food insecurity is projected to be nearly 4.5% higher this year than in 2018. To help out, Lizarondo says 412 Food Rescue is looking for more volunteer drivers as winter quickly approaches.
Give about half an hour of your time and you'll be able to move food from a food donor into a nonprofit or household that needs it.
Shelby, Cassesse, KDKA News.